To convert a PDF to a Google Sheets file, you first need to import the PDF into a usable format. This can be achieved by using a conversion website. The process begins by uploading the PDF to the website, where you can choose to extract all text or only table data. For PDFs containing tables, selecting only table data may be the most efficient option. However, choosing all text will convert the entire document into a text format. The next step involves converting the uploaded PDF into an Excel file, which can then be imported into Google Sheets. After the PDF has been successfully converted, you can download it as an Excel file. Once downloaded, you can then import this file into Google Sheets by going to the File menu, selecting Import, and uploading the downloaded file. You can either drag and drop the file or use the upload option. The import process may take a moment, during which time you will be prompted to choose how you want to import the data, such as into a new spreadsheet, a new sheet, or by replacing the existing spreadsheet. You will also need to select the separator type, which can be set to automatically detect the format. Once the data has been imported, you can view the results. The appearance of the imported data may vary, as the conversion process may not always retain the original font or colors from the PDF. However, you can edit the formatting, including adding colors, as needed. The overall process is relatively straightforward, allowing you to easily convert PDFs to Google Sheets files, although the outcome may require some adjustments to achieve the desired appearance.